I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
So we're on video 2 of the night. I know it's a bit crazy. If you haven't seen the one I uploaded earlier, make sure you check that out as well. But also this is the 7th look out of my 8 Valentine looks, so we're nearly at the end. So as you see, I start off by just having my base on, and then I go into a pink eyeshadow and use it as a blusher, but bring it right up across my cheekbones, and then also on the end of my nose, because as this is a lovesick look, you're gonna have a red nose because you're sick. So I put that on the end of my nose and then blend it out, and then I also bring a little bit up round by my temples and onto my forehead. I then add a little bit of that bright pink eyeshadow to my lips and around my cupid's bow and underneath my lips as well, and then I go in with that blusher brush that I used and just blend it all out. The best thing about this look is it's not neat. You don't have to be neat. It is meant to be really flushed and blended out, so you can't really go wrong with this look. I then use that same eyeshadow in my crease and on my lids, and then I also go into a little bit of a darker pink and add that on top to make it stand out more from the rest of the pink that is already on my face. When I'm blending out them eyeshadows, I'm also bringing them down to my bottom lash line and also kind of into my nose contour as well. I then create some eyeliners using the Inglot Duraline and some pigments that I got off of Amazon. I'll link them in the description down below. But I used a kind of corally pink similar to the eyeshadows that we have used on the face. And then I also use a white pigment to create a white eyeliner also. So for the actual liner, I draw it high above my crease, one pink and then one white above that, and I also have a pink heart on the end of the pink liner and 2 white hearts on either side of it. So next I fill in my brows, and I fill them in a lot darker than I normally would because the wig I'm using has really dark roots. I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow for this, but I apply it on quite thickly so it looks a lot darker. I then put on some mascara, and then I use the Tinker Beauty lashes in the style 618. I then decided in my rosy cheeks I wanted there to be a faint heart, so I went in with an eyeshadow brush and the same eyeshadow that we've used, and I just create some kind of faint little hearts on my cheeks. For my lips, I use the Maybelline lipstick in the shade 422 Coral Tonic, and we are done. This is the final look. So for the photos and the intro videos, I did create a mouth mask just out of some material that I dyed pink and painted Lovesick on it, and I used the same technique that I used for the previous video with the eyeshadow and the heart stickers on this mouth mask. I really hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and hit that subscribe button because I still have another Valentine's look coming tomorrow, and of course after that I have so much planned, so hit that subscribe button if you do not want to miss any more of my tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video and being patient with me with the last one. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.